Welcome to the Investors Trading Academy event of the week. Each week our staff of analysts and educators tries to provide you with a better understanding of a major market event scheduled during the next week. In this video we'll take a look at the all-important earnings season for the first quarter of 2015. The unofficial kickoff is the release of earnings by Alcoa, which is scheduled for April 8th. Last quarter the aluminium giant reported adjusted earnings per share of 33 cents. Topping expectations for 27 cents according to data from Bloomberg. Revenue in the fourth quarter totaled $6.4 billion, topping estimates for $6.05 billion. Investors are hoping that Alcoa can keep things on the ball this season. The unofficial kickoff to earnings season is the release of the earnings by Alcoa, which is a major aluminium producer and Dow Jones Industrial Average component, as it's one of the first major companies to release earnings after the end of each quarter. It also coincides with an increasing number of earnings reports being released. There's no official end to the earnings season, but it's considered to be over when most major companies have released their quarterly earnings reports, which generally occurs about 6 weeks after the start of the season. This is a very active time in the market as analysts, traders and investors review the earnings reports, which may affect their positions on or in a company. You can often see a lot of movement in the shares of companies releasing reports as the market reacts to the new data. It's not unheard of to see shares jump 20% or more, or see them fall by the same amount. It's also a highly active time for the financial news media, such as CNBC and the Wall Street Journal. There is extensive media coverage of the major earnings releases, from a general recap of the earnings to reporting on whether the companies missed, met or beat analyst expectations.